have the exhaust manifold, and what I'm gonna basically do is go ahead and hit it with some acetone, get all the debris off and all the gunk that's on there. But previously I had this sandblasted, so I don't really need to take anything other off with sanding or whatever. I'm just gonna clean any grease left on here or smudges, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mask all the ports where I don't want any paint going inside. On second thoughts, I think I'm gonna switch and not use paper towels, because when you start rubbing it on the metal, it starts leaving a bunch of debris on there, so that's just gonna make it worse. So I'm gonna go ahead and find an alternative for this. Now that we got everything pretty much cleaned up as best as we could, keep in mind these spots are from the old coating that was on the exhaust manifold, so these are really tough to take off, and I mean they didn't come off during sandblasting, so I'm not gonna be able to take them off by hand. So I'm just gonna leave those on there. I don't really care about this being too perfect. Paint's gonna fade over time either way. I'm just trying to like paint it over so it just doesn't completely rust, since it's just exposed cast iron. Right, so after a while of masking a bunch of stuff, I got the exhaust fully masked, as well as the studs here, and then the ports over here are fully masked as well. I just need to fix this hole I accidentally poked in here, but other than that, it should be pretty much ready to paint, which I might do tomorrow just because I'm going to be busy later today, so I'll just cut to that when we get painting the next day. So here's the final product. I think it turned out pretty well for essentially just being can spray paint, and I definitely recommend this to anyone who's trying to do the same. Once the manifold was installed, I ended up taking my truck to a muffler shop, which is Vic's Mufflers in San Leandro, California, and here is where I got my Borla Pro XS muffler installed with the 2.5-inch pipe. I ended up going with this muffler shop just because I was quoted the cheapest here, and I definitely recommend coming here if you're located in the Bay Area. So here's a quick sample of how the exhaust sounded. I was pretty satisfied with the exhaust, since it wasn't like too loud or obnoxious, but it was just like just right, and there was some blue smoke coming out, meaning oil was getting into the engine somewhere, so that's unfortunate, which wasn't visible before. But well, now that's another thing I have to address. But overall, I'm pretty happy how it turned out, and here's some couple pictures of how everything came together, the manifold and everything installed. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's gonna be it for this video. Excuse the background, I'm just recording this while editing. It's been a few months since I recorded this. Actually, I recorded this back in the summer, and I'm just getting to editing this now, so it's been a while. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.